Get the ease and great pricing of the best private jet service. 1. Private Jetstar brings you the lowest jet charter deals on the Lagos, Dubai route. 2. The deals are available through the direct operator pricing offered by Villiers Jets. 3. Get competitive private jet charter deals for the Lagos-Dubai route by Private Jetstar. 4. When traveling from Lagos to Dubai on any commercial airline operating from Nigeria, you can expect all the usual delays and rerouting. 5. You can hire private jets for many reasons other than luxury, these days. 6. In the past few years, privately chartered flights from Lagos to Dubai have seen a sharp increase in frequency. 7. This has given rise to numerous private jet charter providers. 8. You can expect to reach Dubai from Lagos in less than 2 hours. 9. Private Jetstar in association with Villiers Jets has access to over 9,000 private jets spread across 40,000 locations worldwide. 10. Then all it takes is for you to send a text message to your dedicated agent using the exclusive telephone number provided. Visit us at www.privatejetstar.com.